really happy with the team of Aisha. We're really happy because of the low maintenance, because of the application that we have, because of their on-toes duty whenever there is a breakdown, if there is any. Aisha supports us really well as a family now.
Hi, my name is Deepal Patel. This is a family-owned business started by my father 35 years back. 2 years back, we lost my father due to cancer. So now, me along with my sister Ashna Patel Bajaj and my mother Shefali Pranav Patel run this business. This business comprises of buses, first mainly staff transportation at multinational companies in and around Baroda. We started with one bus and now we've gone up to like almost 150 plus buses.
Hi, my name is Ashna Patel Bajaj and I'm one of the partners at JD Travels Baroda. We are associated with Aisha since a very long time, and I think more than 50% of our fleet is from Aisha.
We've got all the models because we need minibus and big bus. We've got Aisha Starline and Skyline models, then 3014, 3016.
Back in 2019, my father had purchased more than 20 chassis from Aisha, and that actually really helped us during COVID times, because during COVID we had to really serve the city very well.
We usually don't have any breakdowns, and if at all we do, the Aisha team is very supportive. They do come and get it on road in 1 or 2 hours, and we like it because we cannot waste any time in getting the bus on road, because staff transportation, we've got shift buses which run throughout the day, and I must say that VG Automobiles Baroda really supports a lot. On one call, they will get the breakdown team ready, they will do whatever is necessary and get the bus on road.
When it comes to employees, the companies really expect that we give the best of vehicles, because a good vehicle actually gives freshness to the employee. If an employee is fresh, they work better, they perform better at the company. So the companies also expect us to give them Aisha.
The AC in Aisha buses, the cooling is good in the hot summer in Gujarat, and even our employees traveling the bus, they do recommend that these buses are good, like it's giving good cooling, comfort and everything. After a heavy working day, employees do want to relax in the bus, so they do feel comfortable in these buses. Aisha buses does give a good mileage compared to other buses, I've noticed. It really saves us in 10 to 15% cost.
The fuel coaching system that Aisha provides is really good. Here, the driver can actually notice what is the gear that he has to drive on at a particular speed.
We do have this that AC buses won't give much mileage, but in Aisha it's not like that. Even AC buses do give a good mileage, so which really helps us in giving a best quote to the companies and having an upper hand in getting a contract.
मैं काफ़ी साल से ड्राइविंग करता हूँ। ये हमारे मालिक ने आइसर लेके दिया है और ये चलने में बहुत अच्छा गाड़ी है, माइलेज भी अच्छा है उसका, और ताकत परफॉर्मेंस सिटी में भी अच्छा चल रहा है, कोई परेशानी नहीं हो रही है और चलाने में मज़ा आ रहा है। इसके सीट वीट सब आरामदायक है, स्टीयरिंग भी पूरा अप डाउन होता है, जैसे चाहे ऐसे कर सकते हैं अपन।
The My Aisha application is extremely helpful. I have put it on my desktop, it's on my phone, it is with every employee of mine. We have logged in all our Aisha buses on this app, and we can see where a bus is, exactly at what time did it start the day. We can see the entire average for the day, for the entire month, how much fuel it has, how much AdBlue we've added to it, how much AdBlue is remaining in it.
And also we can locate the bus because the accuracy is good.
Extremely user friendly. All of my staff are taking use of this application. After joining hands with Aisha for our JG family, things have only gotten easier for us. We're able to spend more family time, and Aisha is taking care of our maintenance because it's giving us low breakdowns, and the application helps us a lot.
The mileage, the quality, the engine sturdiness, average, and the price, and also the service. The service is the most important part, and Aisha does give good service. So I would highly recommend everybody for Aisha.
आइशर, नई सोच, नए रास्ते।